Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Apple user, you know how handy the Calendar app is for keeping track of your schedule. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to share your Apple Calendar in 2025. With the latest updates, sharing has become even more seamless, making it perfect for coordinating with family, friends, or coworkers. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're on the latest version of iOS or macOS to access all the new 2025 features. Start by opening the Calendar app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Once you're in, locate the calendar you want to share. It could be your personal one or a specific event calendar. Tap or click on it to select. Next, look for the share icon, usually represented by a person with a plus sign or a sharing arrow. In 2025, Apple has made this even more intuitive with a dedicated Share Calendar button in the menu. Tap on it, and you'll see options to add people. You can enter their email addresses directly, or generate a shareable link for broader access. Now, here's where it gets customizable. Apple lets you set permissions for each person you invite. Choose whether they can just view your calendar, make edits, or even add events themselves. This is a game changer for collaborative planning. Once you've selected the permissions, hit send, and they'll receive an invitation via email or their Apple devices. One quick tip. If you run into issues, like invitations not going through, double-check your internet connection or ensure the other person has an Apple ID. And remember, you can always revoke access later through the same settings. There you have it. That's how easy it is to share your Apple Calendar in 2025. This feature can save you so much time and hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.